If you are looking for how to make curtain slides in PowerPoint easily, then don't skip the video. For example, I have a demo slides over here. So what you have to do is you need to go to the insert, and on the new slide you need to click on the new slide and click on the blank slide. Move the blank slide to the number 1 slide, and then go to the insert and click on the shapes and click a rectangular shapes. Draw the rectangular shapes as per the slide size. Right click on the dot and go to the format shape, and here is the you need to select the under the fill you need to select the gradient fill. So here you can select the different colors. For example, I'm selecting this one, and here you can adjust the direction, whether it is a radial or rectangular. It's up to you which type of direction you want to use. So here you can, with this slider, you can mix and match. Here you can see that. So once you do that, go to the slide number 2 and go to the transition and click on this arrow for more, and here you will find that curtains transition. Click on that. Click on this presentation mode and see how it looks. And this is that you can see a beautiful welcome slide. So if you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.